7-year-old Amy James received a diagnosis that no one was ever expecting. What began as a routine visit to the doctor for fever and pain in her shoulder changed her life forever. Madam Toastmaster, members of the executive, specially invited guests, fellow Toastmasters, Amy was diagnosed with leukemia and desperately needed a blood transfusion. Leukemia is a type of cancer of the blood or bone marrow which can cause organ failure. Thankfully, Amy was able to survive as friends, family, and well-wishers voluntarily donated their blood to ensure that young Amy survived. Fellow Toastmasters, millions of people owe their life to people who they will never know or meet in their lifetime. They are none other than those people who have donated their blood freely and without any reward. Voluntary blood donors. Voluntary unpaid donors are the foundation of a safe blood supply, which have helped to save millions of human beings from the jaws of untimely death. Blood transfusion is important in helping to save someone's life in an emergency situation. Gina, imagine your father has just suffered a heart attack and must undergo open heart surgery to repair the damage. Keith, imagine your little niece or nephew, a baby born with a heart defect, who requires daily blood transfusion for a chance of survival. Blood is required for surgical patients, accident victims, burn victims, seriously ill babies, persons suffering from leukemia, cancer patients, kidney disease, and liver disease. If Amy did not receive blood, her story will have been different. She would have never been able to attend secondary school or university, or even understood what it means to be a teenager, or even get married or have children someday. 7-year-old Amy got a new lease on life because of those unsung heroes who voluntarily donated their blood. Blood is very important. Blood is very, very important. It is a very emotional moment for me. Friends, today I implore you to be a hero. Save 3 lives. 1 pint of blood can save up to 3 lives. Listen how easy it is for you to be a hero. You need to be at least 17 years old, weigh at least 110 pounds, and pass a physical and health history examination, which is done prior to the donation. I believe that everyone in this room meets those minimum requirements and can be a hero. Persons who cannot donate are persons who are HIV positive and persons who have had hepatitis in the last 2 years. When you donate your blood, it is divided up into 3 components: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells help to transport oxygen throughout the body. White blood cells constitutes the body's defense mechanism, and platelets help stop the bleeding. Friends, fear not. The process is not painful. Giving blood is easy. Picture this scene. You just sit back, relax in a comfortable chair, and let the nurses do the work. Remember, when you donate, you can save not 1, not 2, but up to 3 lives. Fear of needles, fear of pain, and fear of the sight of blood are some of the reasons why persons are hesitant in donating. But do not worry. The health professionals are very skilled in putting your fears to rest and making blood donation easy. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many Amy's that need your help. Help to save an Amy today. I know that you are accustomed giving gifts, but this will be one of the greatest gifts that you have ever given. The gift of blood is the gift to life. Be a voluntary blood donor. Be a hero. Today I encourage you to walk right across the street to the blood bank and be one of the unsung heroes who have saved 3 lives. Be a voluntary blood donor. Be a hero. Madam Toastmaster.